If you're a gardener, chances are you've had words with a squirrel. They dig up freshly planted seeds, leave little holes all over the lawn, drop pine cone scales everywhere, and somehow manage to get to the pecans and green tomatoes before you. Trust me, I know the feeling. But despite their sometimes frustrating behavior, squirrels play a much bigger role in our ecosystem than we often give them credit for. Today I wanted to share a few surprising facts about squirrels and why this little guy who keeps me company in my backyard is actually doing more good than harm. This squirrel spends a lot of time in my yard. He plays hide and seek, freezes when he realizes I'm watching him, and then pretends like nothing's going on. He's part entertainment, part mystery, and as it turns out, part forest caretaker. Let's start with what makes squirrels so impressive. First of all, squirrels are fast. Their padded feet help them reach speeds of up to 20 miles an hour, and those same pads cushion landings from jumps as high as 20 feet. That explains how they move through the trees like they're defying gravity. They're also really smart. Squirrels use their sense of smell to recognize ripe nuts, and they can even tell by the weight of an acorn whether it's been hollowed out by weevils or not. That's some serious quality control. And fun fact, a squirrel's front teeth never stop growing. All that constant gnawing on nuts, bark, and occasionally things we wish they wouldn't chew on is necessary to keep those teeth from getting too long. If you've ever felt like a squirrel was yelling at you, you're not wrong. A squirrel's main form of communication is its tail. They twitch it when they're suspicious or warning others about nearby threats. They also use a range of vocalizations such as squeaks, chirps, and even territorial barks. I often talk back to the squirrels in my yard when they're flipping their tails at me. It's amusing to realize that such a tiny mammal is very seriously telling me to back off. Now let's talk about the really important stuff. Squirrels are incredible seed and spore dispersers. You'll see them caching nuts and seeds all over the place, burying them in the soil or stashing them in tree cavities. But here's the key part. Squirrels only recover about 70% of the nuts they bury. Just like us, they forget where they put things. Those forgotten nuts can now sprout into new trees, especially oaks. In this way, squirrels are directly responsible for helping forests regenerate and spread. Squirrels also eat mushrooms and fungi both above and below ground. The spores pass through their digestive system unharmed and are deposited across the forest floor. Many fungi depend on small mammals like squirrels for dispersal. In both urban and forested environments, squirrels are also an important food source. They support a wide range of predators, including snakes, mammals, and birds of prey. I once watched a red-tailed hawk catch and eat a squirrel right in my backyard. It's not the prettiest reason why squirrels are beneficial, but without them, we wouldn't see the same level of wildlife diversity. And finally, let's be honest, squirrels are entertaining. Their antics at bird feeders are something else. No matter what obstacle you put in front of them, they'll try again and again and again to reach those seeds. They're incredibly clever when it comes to getting a free meal. Sometimes they're frustrating, sometimes they're funny, and sometimes they're doing important work right under our noses. So the next time a squirrel digs up your garden or scolds you from a tree, remember this. Behind that fluffy tail is a tireless worker helping forests grow, fungi spread, and wildlife thrive. Even pests have a purpose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.